Alright, I'd like to show you a fine variation of the Darin Triumph. I have a card selected. In this example, we'll show the two of diamonds. Okay. We're going to place it back into the middle of the pack. Okay, it's on top. We're going to go ahead and lose it down in there. Give the cards a shuffle. And give it some mixes. Mix it up real good, like this. Shuffle it some more. And we're going to shuffle with half the deck face up and half the deck face down. Okay? I'm going to do a very fair shuffle like this. It's called the drunken shuffle. There's only 3 different kinds of people that shuffle this way, and that's children, the insane, and magicians. Okay? We're going to show some of the cards facing up, facing down, backs to backs, face to face, just an utter mess. Now with the cards in this condition, I'm going to try and see if I can't find the card. Okay? Let's see if I can't find the card. Give it a snap. Boom. So this is another version of Darin Triumph, but this is using the zarrow shuffle. And this, I believe, is the real way that Darin did it. He tipped a fake way in Stars of Magic. The magicians that are in the inner circles know that. So you're going to control the card at the top. Okay. I use you do a cut tabled version of this, where you come over and you do like a slip cut here. Okay, and what that is, they put their card back. You come over and you do a slip here. Okay, shown to me by Cardini. Cardini was a Las Vegas magician who performed on the Strip at the Stardust restaurant, the Mexican restaurant there, and he was friends with Jimmy Grippo and a whole bunch of legends and things like that from the Magic Mafia group in Gary Darwin's Magic Club in Las Vegas. So you turn half the deck face up, face down. You're given the pattern about the guy that tried to mess you up. You're going to do the zarrow underneath one card. Okay. So what you do is you start to push this in. This gives you a block. You're going to strip out behind that block, and this will give you a really good illusion of just squaring it up. So what you actually have is the condition of half the deck face down, face up, and then you should have just the 2 of diamonds on top. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a Daryl's cutting display. You cut like this and you show some are backs to back, some are face to face. You pick it up and you show some are even backs to back. So you get to the back to back point, and then you point back to back point, and you're flipping it over. That's your secret turnover. Make your magical gesture, a snap and a clap, and bang, all the cards unmixed minus the selection.